sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this. Welcome to this edition of Red Screen Ninja. This is the Red Screen Ninja first group pool where we all met in Choctaw, Durant, Oklahoma here. There was many of us, about more than 12 with their spouses and so that all met up here, and I want to say thank you for everybody that did show up. I know it's not a walk in the park. It's a couple hour drives for you guys to get here, whether you came from Texas or Oklahoma or all the other directions. But thank you for meeting up on this particular day for this epic group pool. And if you guys want to be a part of the next group pool, do follow us on Facebook. We have a group page called the Red Screen Ninja Slot Chats, where we all get together, post wins, share information, chit chat on a daily basis, and no different, post the next group pool that's going to be coming soon. So if you haven't already done so, please follow us on Facebook. It's the Red Screen Ninja Slot Chats. And without further ado, this is $1,200, $100 each from everybody. And we're doing a $20 max bet spin on a $2 machine on the Polar High Roller. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage. And if you haven't already, do so, subscribe. Turn that bell notification on and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.
Right here. 10 spins on the way. 5 spins, right?
5 spins. 5 spins.
Here we go. All right,
Next
here's the first spin.
Who do we have first?
1,200 in.
Steven. There you go, Steven.
2. All right, there you go.
Come on, baby, roll it up in there.
From Durant, Choctaw.
We say rub the screen.
First time live. On a group pool. Yes, sir. Yes, you say yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, was that 5? All right, who's next? Let's go. Let's go, money girl.
Shoot.
All right, we got the second spinner on.
Oh, these patterns are bad, y'all.
Yeah, ugly, ugly pattern. Okay, just got a small diamond right there. Small diamond outside. Should be good. Woo! Alright. Let's give it a whirl. Alright, who's the next? Alright, we got the
Can we reset it and start?
Yeah,
I can do whatever I want.
Alright.
Just don't cash out. We're good.
Alright, here we go. Third spin. Come on. Alright, we got something. We got a hit. We got outside corner. Inside. Okay, that's 50. That's $100 right there, folks. That's a $100 hit. Alright, good.
Is that 3?
There you go. Inside corners. Let's go, red baby. Come on. Hey, give me a thumbs up, everybody. You guys can the feed is good. Let me know if the feed's what I get or not.
5 spins.
Give me a thumbs up, everybody. Let me know who's here. Alright, we got the next spinner here. Here we go. Come on, let's turn it red, baby. Turn it red. Okay, we're here on the Polar High Road with 10 credits, folks. $2 denom. We're gonna put 100 G's right here.
Who's next?
Choctaw Casino guests, it is now time for our 10 p.m. 32nd anniversary.
5 spins, Lane.
Let's go.
There you go. 1 spin.
Let's go, baby. Come on.
You have 10 minutes to make your way to the promotional booth. Located in the very lobby, claim your prize.
Let's go, baby. 2, 3.
Good one.
Alright, that's $100. bucks. Keep your bucks, okay? Let's see, we're still alive, folks. We're at 1200 in, we're at 1060. Come on, okay, we got the next spinner up. No, I didn't give you guys any heads up for this real cool live. Hey, what the hell? That's how I roll. We got 28 people up. We got 7 people thumbs up.
Come on now.
Can we get like
Give me that
28 people
roller.
thumbs up over here? Come on, you guys. We're at Choctaw Durant trying to get it. Yeah, stop.
Come on, Red.
Let's go, red screen. We need one red screen. We need to get one red screen. We not like you, huh? Come on. Let me get one red screen. Jesus. Come on, Polar.
Oh, man.
Bam. Alright, we'll see you have to get a red screen. Alright, who's next?
Sean. Sean with an S.
Alright, let's go. Alright, here's the next big one. Alright. Come on, man. Okay. Terry.
Oh, Terry. Alright, Terry,
let's
take
go.
us
Here's the
home.
next one. Come on.
Hey, I'm gonna let that card clear.
Yeah. Alright. Come on, baby. Turn red one time. Come on. Good. Still one red screen right here. Come on. Triple.
There you go.
Yeah, that keeps going.
There you go.
Alright. Thank you. The next spinner right here. Come on. We need a red screen. Come on, Polar Roll. Sorry, man, I angle folks, so bear with me. That's it? Pac-Man. Alright, that's me, folks. Alright, here we go.
Here we go. We got it.
Alright.
Attention casino guests, this is our second call for Campbell Calabro, car number 70677. Again, Campbell Calabro, car number 70677. You now have 5 minutes to make your way to the promotional booth. Located in the lobby, pay your card.
Last spin, folks. That's some ugly ass cards right here. Alright, next one. Got 80 on that.
That's all she wrote.
Now, because we weren't hitting, we decided to jump next to the Lucky Duck. Also, $20 max bets right next to this Polar High Roller.
Alright, I'm back.
Attention casino guests, this is our final call for Campbell Calabro, car number 70677. Again, Campbell Calabro, car number 70677. You now have 2 minutes to make your way to the promotional booth. Located in the lobby, pay your card.
Choctaw Durant. Alright, folks, I'm on the angle.
3 spins. There you go. 1.
There we go, we got a thumbs up. Can we get a thumbs up? Can you just press that thumbs up? We got 41 people live. 41 people, we got 41.
3? Yep, 3. There you go. There you go. All right. Who else?
Come on, baby, hit.
Come on, let's go get it.
Got a little luck from my friends. Come on. Come on, baby, red. It's time to go red, baby. Come on.
3 spins, 3 spins. Oh, there you go.
Alright, we got 400. We got 400 here, right here. Yes, sir. Alright, that was a good hit, but we're still looking for the red screen.
Go ahead. 3 spins, go ahead.
I'm gonna let that screen clear.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, should turn red.
Right at 3.
No. All right.
Right there. Bingo.
Choctaw Casino guests, we now have a new winner, and that winner is Cheryl Reed, car number 130.
Nothing inside point, nothing.
Again, Cheryl Reed,
Still looking for the red screen, folks.
3991. You now have 10 minutes to make your way to the promotional booth. Located in the lobby to claim your prize.
Alrighty.
Come on, people. We got 44 people live here. We only got 17 thumbs up. We get a thumbs up. Still on Lucky Ducky?
Lucky Ducky.
Alright, we're trying to bang on Lucky Ducky here. Downtown. There you go. We got something behind the bus. Still up 560. Alright, we got like 12 people in this group. Or 1,200. Sorry.
Explorers?
Right there.
There you go.
Not a dang thing. Come on, kid.
Red.
Not a dang thing.
Still looking for that red. Still hunting for that red screen.
Already.
Next spinner. Still yet to get the red spin.
How many?
3.
Let's go, Angelica. Come on, Ducky.
Come on, Red. Oh.
One more.
Alright, next.
Who's that? There's a red screen.
Come on.
Leave me the secret.
Very good.
Oh,
Restart.
Very good.
This is what is it?
the cash out.
Yeah, that's why this is.
Oh, I thought you take the money.
I won't take the money. That's why they say you have to restart. Come on.
Alright.
Forward.
Next. Let's go, boss. Get the red screen. About one red screen.
Attention casino guests, this is our second call for Cheryl Reed, car number 1303991. Again, Cheryl Reed, car number 1303991. You have 5 minutes to make your way to the emotional room. Okay, you're very happy, and you're
Come on,
done.
baby.
Come on,
Come
Duck.
on, Doug. You're there. Not making the appearance.
That's it.
Ducky went quack quack.
Three spins.
Hey,
Three
come on,
spins.
we need a red, goddammit.
One more. That's it.
Three.
Three spins. Three spins. Three spins.
That was it. Did I overdo it?
You did 4 spins. You did 4.
That's good.
Go ahead.
Alright. Alright, next.
Well,
Next. Let's go, boss.
What do you know?
Fucking red screen.
I know, this is getting ridiculous.
Yeah. Not one yet. There you go. Alright.
well.
Can't see all comments, folks. Apologize ahead of time.
There you go. Good deal.
Get it red. Get it red. Come on.
Yeah.
With or without player's card, huh? This one's without the player's card. Nothing, no red screen.
All right.
Oh shit.
That's it.
Here, you want to catch it out or?
Okay.
Maybe change it better. Just do what you want. Change it up a little.
Alright. I'm max bet.
Bust your up, folks.
Nada.
Not one
Bust your
red
up.
screen. Alright.
Attention casino
Alrighty.
guests, this is our final